I am planning to put $1,000 into the AMC stock, but let's see first what the chart is telling us. So this is the weekly chart. Let me zoom out a bit and we will try to put some important support and resistance levels. Starting from this area looks very interesting, $5.5. Next area of interest is roughly 7.2. Now within this range of 5.5 and 7.27, I can see that look at this consolidation that happened over here, and then this huge pump. Now price tried to come back in this region over here again and showed a pump. Now price is reversing back towards this region. That is why I think this region is of great importance. Next area of importance would be this red line over here showing the point of control, which means lot of volume was traded over here. This is around $8.5 and one more at roughly $10.5 over here. You can see price tries to break this and fails, and here also weekly RSI is sitting at 44. We can see in the past RSI likes to go below 30 like this. Interesting thing for AMC stock is look at this, price is making lower low but RSI is making a higher low. So we can see that with bullish divergences this stock tends to bounce a lot. Same over here also, price was making lower low, RSI was making a higher low, and then we saw this bounce. This tells me that I need to wait for a bullish divergence to form at an important support area. Now heading over to the daily chart, we can see that this area again $7.5 to $5.5 is actually very important. Even if I look in the past, look at all this capitulation that happened here before the huge pump. So this tells me that actually it is better to wait for this range of again $7.5 to $5.5. Also on the daily chart we can see, look at this, price is making lower low, RSI making higher low. So whenever bullish divergence is there, then we see a nice pump in the price. Even over here look at this, and RSI like this, again pump. So once again this is telling me that I need to wait for a bullish divergence to form first. Moving over to the 4-hour chart. On the daily chart, if I try to draw this trend line, let me show you something important. The price broke out from this downward trend, tested this and then bounced. Now we are going down, so maybe there will be a retest of this downward trend line and we will find a bounce. This retest again falling in the $5.5 to $7.5 range. Now heading over to the 4-hour chart. Current RSI is at 36. If we go back in history, we can see RSI likes to go below 20 and then we start seeing some uptrend. Even over here we can see that like this. This area also very important. RSI was lower, but this was the point where we were forming bullish divergence and then we bounced. So even the 4-hour chart telling me the same story, that it is time to actually wait a bit and let price come down into this buying zone and then take some action. Until then it is just sit and wait. In the short run there is a possibility that this head and shoulder pattern is forming, so we might go back up to 10.5 to test this before going back down in this range. So for the short term maybe we can enter a small buy position here with a sell target of roughly $10, but of course we need to put proper stop loss to protect our money. Just to summarize once again, looks like AMC is still a waiting game, and this region of 7.5 to 5.5 is actually the place where we need to start thinking of buying. As you can see, markets are extremely volatile. If you are actively trading, please consider proper risk management to protect your money. Good luck trading. Thank you.